How are you? How are you? Oh, you doing pretty good? Are you talking? What do you want to say? Cool? Are you going to the bathroom? Oh no. Did you go to the bathroom? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Say, I did. Are you still happy now? Yeah. Maybe not for long. Better change your diaper, right? Yeah. We'll change your diaper for you. You can't do that by yourself, can you? No. All right. Do you want to show any last tricks? You got your tongue out. Stick out your tongue. Good job. Are you talking? Say something. What do you want to say? Cool? It smells bad. It smells bad around here. Yeah, is that what you're saying? Okay. Say see you later.